Right guys, so I'm going to show you how I achieve this simple eyeshadow look. So get in here. Now that you're here, first color I will be using is this one. That's this color right here. I'm going to pack it and I'm going to find my crease right here. You see this spot right here, that's your crease. So you want to focus this product on your crease, and you start by packing the product on there very gently, you know. So as soon as you have that, you want to blend back and forth, and you can see the purpose for this white powder I added here. If you're a beginner, it will serve as a guide so that you know where to stop, so that you don't extend your eyeshadow outside of your eyelid, right? So I stop right here and I blend back inwards. The purpose of this transition color is so that the next eyeshadow color you're going to use on your lid will blend into it seamless. Right, so as soon as we have that, I'm going to further deepen the crease, and I will go in with this color Coffee. It's a deeper brown than this one. Sometimes when you deepen your crease, it gives it that depth and it's sort of sexy and it's very beautiful. You want to put the product right there, just on top of that other color you added, and you want to just tap 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 tap. As soon as you have enough product, you want to begin to blend back and forth, just like you did the first one. Take your time. So the next color I'm going to use on my lid is this one called Rusty, and I'm going to use my finger to pick up that product, and I'm going to apply it directly on my lid like so. Yes guys, you can use your finger to apply eyeshadow. You don't have to have like a ton of brushes. So I'm done with the eyeshadow. Look at that, they look so alike. One thing with eyeshadow is you want to make sure that they look alike. One should not be too much or too bright. As you can see, the inner corner of my eye here is a bit bright. That's because I added a bit of a lighter eyeshadow. I just felt like I needed to bring some more light to my eyes, so that's why I went ahead to use this color, and I just popped it in there. Do you see that? So at this point guys, you can pretty much finish up the rest of your makeup like I'm going to do. You can do an eyeliner, and you can do an under eyeliner, you can do your lips, you can do whatever. Hopefully you guys are still here and you've learned something. Let me know in the comment section if you found this video very helpful. Give it a thumbs up already if you haven't. Yes, don't forget. Had a few niggas write it out for me. Tell me baby, will you slide